Hello, I am the Hose Advisor Pro. Here's a question for those using hose nipples. Let's look at this part here inside the hose. Do these gaps between the inside of the hose and hose nipple bother you? We often hear from customers who would like to eliminate fluid accumulation due to them being a cause of allergens and bacterial growth. The internal structures of ferrule and camlock type TOYOCONNECTOR couplings are designed to solve this problem. Because TOYOCONNECTOR couplings are designed to mate with the hose in this manner to prevent fluid accumulation, they are more hygienic than hose nipples and can be used with confidence. TOYOCONNECTOR, including ferrule and camlock types, are hygienic couplings designed to prevent fluid accumulation between the coupling and hose, enabling them to be used with confidence. TOYOCONNECTOR couplings also prevent hose disconnection and fluid leakage. They can be easily inserted into the hose, helping standardize the installation process. Please check the video in the description for more information. If this video was useful to you, please subscribe to and like the channel.